Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Chow Flour. Today we're making salt and chili beef.
That was weird. Oh, hello, and welcome to another episode of Chow with Lau. And today I'm going to show you how to make a wicked Halloween dish, salt and chili beef. Let's do this, guys. What was that? Right, guys, so for this recipe I am using 8 ounces of rump steak. You can use sirloin or another cut of beef if you so wish. I'm going to show you how to tenderize it regardless. What I'm going to do is cut it into quite thin strips, so it's going to cook nice and quickly, and also you're going to make the steak go further because you're going to get more pieces out of it. To make sure that the beef is at its tenderest, I'm going to add a teaspoon of corn flour and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. You guys in the US, I think baking powder covers bicarb, but please check on the ingredients. Massage this in well, and this will break down the beef so it tenderizes. If you want to see a full video on how and why this works, then please check out the card I've left in the upper corner of this video, and it will show you the technique which is called velveting. But all you need to know right now is it will leave your beef absolutely tender and melt in your mouth, almost like a fillet steak. Also at this stage I'm going to marinate the beef. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of sugar, tablespoon of light soy sauce, and a tablespoon of sesame oil. Give that a stir. And leave it for an hour or two. So the key to the wickedness of this recipe lies in this little fella here, the Scotch bonnet. This is one of the hottest chilies you can buy in a supermarket or in your local greengrocer. Anything hotter needs weapons grade clearance, I think, but this little chap is very potent indeed. Tread lightly, as they say, but because it's Halloween we're going to use one. Okay, so all we're going to do is finely slice it, and this is going to impart our salt and chili beef with the chili element, and this does pack a punch. Okay, we're going to put the whole thing in, seeds, membrane, the lot. Halloween only comes once a year. Let's hope we survive it. Right guys, on to the business end of the recipe. Get your wok smoking hot before you put your oil in. It's about 2 tablespoons of oil in there. Give it a good swig around. Okay, so I'm gonna add my chilies, my chopped ginger, and my garlic. Get that stirred, move it to one side, put our beef in. It's important that you let the beef sear before you actually start moving around too much. So once it's done that, then we can start to toss it in our wok a little bit. this point, I can add my finely sliced onions. Salt and pepper. And spring onions. There you go, guys. Right, guys, the hour of reckoning is upon us. Otherwise known as tasting time. The beef is nice and tender. Wow, there's some kick from that chili. But you can still taste the garlic, the ginger, and the marinade. It's so good. And the bonus is, it doesn't have that batter that a lot of salt and chili dishes have, which is obviously a little bit better for your waistline. So relatively healthy, only use a little bit of oil to cook it with, so it's not so bad at all. Anyway, wow, why is it so cold in here? Can't get warm even eating chili like this. I get the feeling I'm being watched. Oh gosh, yes. I know it's approaching, you know, Halloween. I don't believe in things like that. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care and have a safe Halloween. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed the video and like and subscribe and comment down below what the video is like and hit the notification bell and like the video or I'll come and fight you. Happy Halloween, everybody! Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Chow with Lau. Today we're making salt and chili beef. Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Chow with Lau. Today we're making salt I just can't remember. Salt and chili beef. Let's do this. My friends, go up and rise. Okay. Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Chow with Lau.